Let's go over a little bit of radio anatomy to show you what the different buttons are that we're going to be programming. So the custom buttons that are available on the handheld, we have P1, P2, PF1, PF2, and finally the button on top in color is PF3. Now we can program each of these buttons for a single click, and we can program them also to be held down. So we really have two options with each button. Now over on the 578 radio, we have a few more options. We can program, obviously, our P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, and P6 buttons. But now we have options for, this one's labeled as PA, PB, PC, and PD. All of these buttons can be programmed again for the short press or long press. Now with these buttons up here, they actually have a purpose, and for usability, I would probably leave them alone, at least for the short press, but that's totally up to you.